In front of me is POCO M3, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings right here, then go to apps, locate it and click on apps and mark app info. And here, once you're in a manage apps panel, tap on more icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, and select reset app preferences. And if you really want to go back to default values and reset preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, and background data restriction for apps, just click on reset apps. And that's it. It has been done, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.